How to change your age on the TikTok. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change your age in your TikTok account. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your TikTok application. So now once you are in here you have to click on this bottom right corner option of the profile. Now once you are in the profile, here you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner, and you have to go on the settings and the privacy. Now once you are in, if you go on the account settings and you go on the user information, now as you can see that there is no option to change your age from your user information. Now how you can change it? For that you just have to go back and you have to scroll down, and here is the option of the report a problem. You have to click on it. So now once you are in the report a problem, you just have to scroll down, and here is the option of the submit a report. You have to select it, and here you have to add the feedback in which you have to add your report, and you have to type that you want to change your age in your TikTok application, and you have to change your birthday. And after adding that you have to add your username and also add your email address. So once you add it, you can also add the screenshot of your profile, and after that you just have to click on the submit and you have to submit your report. So once you submit your report, you just have to wait for the TikTok to respond your report. So this is the only way that you can change your age in your TikTok application. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.